What do you know? Why not Nexus Champion for the Caldera Maiden combo? Interesting. See, I'm not going as hero powerific as I could. I was thinking hero power when I originally planned the show schedule. Hey, look at this. Sick in there. Alright, Despy, let's shoot her. I mean, we are like all in on the Domo.
I'll show them. I'll show them.
Yeah, come here. Come here. Oh, I love you. I love you. Yeah, I didn't fucking want to talk to you anyways either. I think we're doing this. I think maybe we should just shoot her right away. This is the Diegazo. The Diegazo. I'll be reincarnated as a cat in my next life. But what if you wind up as a prisoner? As my cats are. Yeah. Hi. Hey, baby cat. Here, you know what? I'm gonna flip you. I'm gonna flip you, Despy. Despy doesn't like being flipped, but you're gonna be flipped, sweet kitten. No, shh. I don't think I want it. Weird and moody.
I serve the fire.
Oh, he's a tempo mage. Tempo mage. Tempo mage. Alright, $1 says we get the explosive sheet mega combo. Oh! Best outcome ever. It's fine, get your totem. Get your totem, dude, it's all cool. By the way, we're almost to 500 wins. How sick is that? How sick is that? How slick is that?
I'll show them. I'll show them all.
Time runs out on me.
Well, it's nice. Alright, good. Diegazo has glitched. He's experienced a glitch. He does not understand what's happening to him. Woo! I think drawing some cards seem good. No, I hear you, kid. Where's your string? That's the best part about Caldera Drake, because I can throw out the Drake and then just domo it. Just domo. Peanut butter, domo time. And just clear the board. Because I think, actually, the best play is to big game hunters. Cat's not even meowing, looking to stop petting, and I'm gonna look at her. Hey, Despy! Despy, look at me. Yeah, come I'm gonna gain a little mom entum.
The end is coming.
The Diegazo.
Time runs out on me.
Fireball. Hey, we burned a fireball. That's pretty tight.
I knew it.
Can't say I'm not happy. So maybe I think we actually just freeze them. We have a lot of. Take it.
Job's done. Hop in here.
No counter spells here. Now Antonitis. No ifs, ands, buts about it. Healing. Boink. Dink. Wow. Day 9, how do you manage to not get angry with really slow opponents in Hearthstone? Because I'm like not... It's not the #1 thing I'm doing, you know what I mean? Like, I'm checking chat, I'm hanging out, we're having a good time. Alright, this is the play. This is Hundo Pacento the Playo. Amazingly, I don't. I actually just go to the SoundCloud or Bandcamp page, and I play it. I really need to get on that. This is a new computer, so as a result, I don't have any of my stuff on it. Oh, the cat. Okay, I love you, the cat. I love you, I love you. You require my assistance. Ba, 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 da, da. I've always been kind of interested in World of Warcraft. That's just kind.
Makes perfect.
Hey. I know how to clear this. I bet he's getting tired of this shit. Oh, brick.
Let the pain speak to me. Pain speak to me.
Job's done.
Because I don't want to overdraw. I think drawing 2 from both of these is good. I think. Smart, agile cats. You're so agile.
The fire lord.
Got our big game, Hunter. What's it gonna be, friend? Ah, Frostbolt, okay. 1 on each, I think, makes sense. And then 1 on the other side. When Dana wants to call it, he calls it, my friend. See, I think this is gonna be pretty good. Ooh. Ooh. We're not gonna overdraw, are we? Looks like not. A 1 and a 2. So I'm gonna put this out here. Blizzard gonna give us the Dana and Hearthstone voice pack, dude. I don't know. That does need to happen, though. Bang, bang. Oh, science! I mean, I feel like I've won. I feel like the win is, like, right around the corner. It's just a question of, like, how that win happens. I think this is actually the right thing to do. I do this. And then I think, do I hold on to this? I think given... Well, that's interesting. He didn't even play a card. Okay. I guess he's got some of his huge nerds.
Mage, you should be more careful playing with magic.
A dragon? Ugh. Come on.
By the power of Ragnaros, I have the power!
I don't
None may challenge
even care. Oh, the risk is real. Secrets that I have. They're fair. But I don't think that I lose the secrets. I think that's right. Anything you want to do is fine.
Time runs out on me.
Okay. We're gonna find out.
You have awakened me too soon, Executus.
Nice, tight, good, cool, dope, sick, slick. Alright, cool, fucking...
Most of my cards.
That's tight. Alright, let's... Okay, get the fuck out. And, yeah, alright. Alright, well... That's cool. Interesting fact. I think you know this. I actually have to run this out because I can Maiden and shoot him. But I'll lose if this is an ice block. So I have to do this, right? Whoopsie daisies. We could have won. That's all I had to do. I had to attack first and I could have seen it. And then 8 times 6 is oftentimes a very large number. This is dangerous. This is dangerous. I think we win though. I think we win. I think we're in okay shape to win. It's hard to tell though. I'm not positive. I am gonna run out to Maiden of the Lake though. Just like Yeah, let me just get this out of the way.